Hello guys! Welcome back to another video for today. So me and my mom decided to go to Robinson's Amos, and as we were walking around, oh my gosh, I saw these flower decorations and I was so amazed. Oh my gosh, they were so beautiful and colorful. Oh my gosh, like it's so colorful. Oh my gosh. Tingnan nyo guys, so iba-ibang colors, and since they're plastic, they have different textures too, and like, they're so, ganda talaga nila guys. Anyways, we were here because we had to buy some supplies from National Bookstore, and ayan po, here are the flowers. Ayan,
What is your
the
favorite?
blue is my favorite, and also the purple one. The pink one is also nice. Like in camera guys, it looks so real. Like it's so pretty. I've never seen flowers this big actually. Imagine kung meron talagang malaking flowers na ganyan. Meron ba guys? I mean yung mga nasa bouquet. Ayan po. Nakita ko. Naka-chinelas. Ayan po guys, so we saw this shop with a lot of accessories, and I'm looking around for hair clips to use at my recognition guys. Guys, bukas na pala yun. Kailangan ko maghanda talaga guys. Stay tuned kasi kakanta ako
Buy one, buy
dun.
one, not to
I hope hindi ako mapipiyok dun sa pagkanta ko guys. Kasi maganda pa naman ako dun.
So why is it in
They have so many that I couldn't pick. There was purple, there was pink, there was blue. But my mom saw these white ones.
It's not.
Ayan po. I was looking around at the purple one. I'm trying to find ones
nice
that can
yan.
match
Kahit anong color na
all of
suotin
my
mo.
outfits that I'm using for
Tanungin mo ka.
my recognition and the graduations.
I think it's priced individually.
Guys, hindi
I
pa
like
ako
that, the one
graduate
you're
ha. I'm still a 5th grader. Kakanta lang ako for them. Oh my gosh!
I like
I'm
the
so
one that you're holding, the
excited.
white.
Kasi makita ko si Crush. Joke.
You asked that.
Ayan po. My mom liked the white one, the white hair clips, but I think black would suit her. So I asked the lady how much it was. It was just for 100, guys. Ang ganda-ganda.
What do
Only
you
for
want?
100. So worth it. Love.
You want that?
Ay, oo nga guys. I tipped the lady
Suotin mo sa
10
graduation,
million.
recognition.
So that means it is worth 10 million. Diba?
the white
Lahat
is
naman ng
nicer.
damit ko, tas accessories ko, 10 million naman eh. So, ayan, 10 million guys. Wow, very worth it
Okay.
naman. Ang ganda nila guys. Ayan
Look,
na
I will
po,
get money.
we're checking it out. Ano ha? Ayan po, magbabayad na po kami. Guys, ang dami nilang mga hair clips dito na uso, tapos mga headbands. Tapos
Ito yung
tapos
headband na
ayan,
uso na
may
ngayon
labubo
ako.
pa. Alam niyo naman yung labubo, mahalin yun. Pero labubo, oh my gosh. Usually, I thought
Ate,
they
magkano to
usually
si
came in
labubo?
packages. Like,
Ha?
pero baka peke. Joke.
Ito po yung sa
200 po yun eh, so hindi na lang po namin binili. Ayan po, we're going to check out the hair clips na. And ang ganda talaga nila guys. Anyways, I'm just looking at some stuff here. Meron pa silang keychain. Labubo ba yan guys? Ang dami nilang... It's not labubo, it's labada. Ay, labada. Ayan na po. So, binigay na po sa amin yung sukle. And I really can't wait to try these on, guys. Sana naman maganda ko dyan. Ayan. As you can see, I'm basically struggling to put them inside of the bag. Pero okay lang yan. Life is life. Ayan na po. Kukuha po kami ng pagkain. We're gonna buy food kasi gutom na po kami. So, my mom saw these donuts and she looked very interested in them. Meron po silang
Buy 8 plus 1.
save 30 pesos. 8 plus 1, edi 9.
Ikaw na pumili na.
Edi 9 guys.
Saan ang choices?
Ano ba yan? Kahit
Apat na 28.
even food is
and
asking me
5 na
math
30.
questions. Alam naman nila hindi ako best in math.
Ito.
Better lang in math. Alam nyo guys, what if lang yung mga teachers hindi nakaisip
Ito, isa.
ng mga
Isa.
awards na sinabi na lang best in English, better in
Alin pa? Alin pa
math,
28?
good in science. Ayan po.
Apat na 28 daw.
Sarap naman ng mga donuts, guys. They got
Dito.
strawberry fillings.
Ito.
They got mga classy.
And then,
Yung mga may white
5
powder.
na
Ang sarap
30.
talaga nun, guys.
Dalawang strawberry,
Tapos ng
dalawa.
chocolate. So, I think,
Tapos ito,
I think
tsaka
it
ito.
is, 5 na
Ay, dalawa na din dito, dalawa.
8 pesos. Tapos, apat na 30 pesos.
Isa lang.
Ay, baliktad.
Isang Bavarian Classic.
Oh.
Tapos,
Classic. Guys.
ilang classic gusto mo?
Save 30 pesos daw.
Dalawa na lang sa
Ano
classic.
naman yan? Wow. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.